with number 1. Poyraz Karayel. Poyraz Karayel is a gripping Turkish series blending elements of crime, romance, and action. The story centers on Poyraz Karayel, a principled police officer who is unjustly suspended and imprisoned due to a setup orchestrated by his own father-in-law. Upon release, Poyraz is determined to reclaim custody of his son and rebuild his life. His former chief offers him a covert mission: infiltrate the criminal organization of Bahri Umman, a powerful mafia leader in Istanbul. As Poyraz integrates into Bahri's world, he unexpectedly falls in love with Ayşegül, Bahri's daughter, complicating his mission and personal life. The series unfolds over 3 seasons, delving into Poyraz's struggles with loyalty, love, and justice. Throughout the series, Poyraz confronts various challenges, including uncovering family secrets, battling adversaries, and facing personal tragedies. The chemistry between the lead actors, İlker Kaleli and Burçin Terzioglu, adds to the series' appeal, drawing viewers into their complex relationship. For those interested in a series that combines action, emotional depth, and intricate plotlines, Poyraz Karayel offers a captivating viewing experience. Number 2. Kardai. The narrative centers on Mahir Kara, a devoted son working as a shoemaker. His life takes a drastic turn when his father, Nazif Kara, is wrongfully accused of murdering the chief prosecutor and faces a death sentence. Determined to prove his father's innocence, Mahir adopts a false identity as a lawyer named Salih Ipek to infiltrate the legal system. In his quest for justice, he crosses paths with Judge Feride Arolu, the presiding judge over his father's case. As Mahir and Feride collaborate to uncover the truth, they develop a deep romantic connection, complicating their professional relationship and personal lives. Beneath the surface, Mahir's journey exposes him to powerful mafia figures, including Turgut Akan, a corrupt prosecutor and the real murderer, and Mehmet Saim Shadoglu. As Mahir navigates this treacherous landscape, he uncovers deep-seated corruption that intertwines with his family's fate. The series portrays the challenges Mahir faces as he balances his pursuit of justice with the dangers posed by the mafia's influence. By the way, if you're enjoying this list so far, then don't forget to like this video. It helps a lot more than you think. Now, let's keep going. Number 3. Eşref Rüya. Eşref Rüya is a romantic mafia series which follows the journey of Eşref, a man who lost his parents at a young age and was forced into the world of crime. Over the years, he rises to power in the underworld, becoming a feared and influential figure. Yet, despite his wealth and authority, he remains trapped in a love he has never truly experienced. For Eşref, orphans are his chosen family, but his search for peace and meaning never ends. That is until he meets Nisan, a talented musician with a past full of secrets. She unexpectedly turns his world upside down, setting off a whirlwind of emotions and danger. As their paths intertwine, love and fate collide in an intense battle between Eşref's dark reality and his longing for something more. With powerful performances from Çağatay Ulusoy and Demet Özdemir, Eşref Rüya promises a gripping mix of romance, action, and drama. After the success of the mafia romance series Adım Farah and Gaddar, I think this series will break many records. Number 4. Hududsuz Sevda. Hududsuz Sevda is the story of Halil Ibrahim Karsu, who returns to the Black Sea village of his birth. Halil was forced to run away when he was just 5 years old, after his father was murdered by the local crime boss, Rizwan Leto. 20 years later, Halil came home to marry his childhood sweetheart, Yasemin. But when Rizwan's son murders Yasemin, his mission takes on a whole new direction. Halil becomes a one-man army with the sole purpose of destroying Rizwan Leto. Halil gains some unexpected allies as he works his way through Rizwan's criminal operations, including Rizwan's daughter Zainab. Zainab wants to move on from the illegitimate life, and once she learns the truth about what her family did to Halil, she has no choice but to help him. Zainab's school life crush on Halil is soon rekindled, and before long, she falls madly in love with her father's enemy, and there is nothing more dangerous than a Black Sea woman in love. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 5. My Name is Farah. My Name is Farah, or Adam Farah, is a story about Farah, an Iranian woman, lives in Istanbul illegally with her son. Despite having a medical degree, she works as a cleaning lady to support her son. Her son has a rare disease, and Farah strives to provide proper care and treatment for him. During her job, Farah witnesses a murder and becomes a target for the mafia. Tahir, a ruthless mafia member, offers her a chance to clean the crime scene but plans to kill her later. Farah manages to escape Tahir's clutches, but he discovers her location. Tahir faces a dilemma as he decides the fate of Farah and her child, ultimately leaving her alive under the condition of silence. The situation intensifies when it's revealed that the murder victim was an undercover policeman. A determined police chief commissioner, Mehmet, becomes obsessed with solving the case. The story revolves around Farah's struggle for survival, Tahir's conflicting choices, and Mehmet's pursuit of justice. Themes of sacrifice, redemption, and the consequences of decisions are explored throughout the narrative. Number 6. Ali. Aslan Soykan, who's in charge of a big crime family in Istanbul, but he usually follows strict family rules from her mother. His mother psychologically makes Aslan follow her every order. But things change when Aslan meets a wonderful woman named Devin, who is a psychologist. Aslan falls in love with her. As they get closer, Devin can't help but notice the problems in Aslan's family and tries to help them with her psychology knowledge. But on the other hand, Aslan's mother don't want to lose her dominance over her family and tries to create hurdles in Devin's path. Can Devin fix Aslan's issues even though it's like being in a war zone? And can she deal with someone like Aslan, who's full of himself, while also dealing with his own problems? Watch this fantastic series to find out. Number 7. Eşkıya Dünyaya Hükümdar Olmaz, Bandits. Bandits follows Hicr Çakırbeyli, a powerful man who enters the mafia world after his brother's death. He begins producing weapons for the mafia but remains loyal to his country. The government offers him the position of mafia leader to stop selling weapons to enemies, but he refuses. His loyalty to his family and allies is tested as he faces dangerous schemes from the current mafia leader, Anil. His personal life is strained with his wife, Miriam, who tolerates his affair with Najli, but cannot accept her pregnancy. As Hicr navigates betrayal and power struggles, he must protect his family while maintaining his integrity in a perilous world. Bandits is a gripping Turkish drama with intense action, political themes, and strong characters. Fans praise its powerful story. Despite subtitle challenges, it's highly recommended for fans of action and drama. Number 8. Çokur. In the perilous streets of Çukur, the Koçova family holds sway, enforcing a strict ban on drugs. However, a bold challenger emerges, seeking to defy this rule and seize control. Yamaç, a free-spirited young man, crosses paths with Sena, a kindred soul, and they quickly fall in love. But their bliss is shattered when Yamaç's turbulent family history resurfaces, threatening their newfound happiness. As Sena becomes entangled in Yamaç's world, they face unforeseen dangers and challenges that will test their bond to the limit. Çukur, The Pit, is an intense and gripping Turkish TV series that masterfully combines elements of action, drama, and family dynamics. With its compelling storyline, well-developed characters, and superb performances, Chukur has garnered widespread acclaim and a dedicated fan base. The show's intricate plot, accompanied by powerful music and captivating visuals, keeps you engaged and eagerly anticipating each episode. Overall, Chukur stands out as one of the best Turkish series ever made, offering a thrilling and immersive viewing experience for audiences worldwide. Number 9. Price of Passion. Price of Passion series tells us the story of a girl named Asli, a dedicated and free-spirited doctor, becomes unwittingly entangled with Farhat, a cold-hearted hitman working for his secretive biological father, Namik. As Farhat's criminal activities come to light, Asli's police officer brother, James, investigates, unaware that his sister is held captive. As the complex web of family secrets unravels, Asli discovers Namik's murderous past. Facing imminent danger, Farhat offers Asli an unexpected lifeline, marriage, unleashing a riveting tale of crime, loyalty, and an unconventional alliance that challenges their lives and loyalties. What will happen next? Watch this series to find out. Number 10. Gulzemal. The story revolves around the love that begins with hatred between Gulzemal, Murat Anılmış, whom his mother abandoned and turned into a dark monster when he was young, and the beautiful Deva, Melis Sezen, who becomes engulfed in a whirlwind of fire, passion, and storm. In Gulzemal's battle with his mother, will an unexpected love or the years of hatred he has harbored prevail? And what about Deva? Watch this series to find out. Number 11. Sanyas. Sanyas is a captivating Turkish series that deftly balances drama, romance, and suspense. With well-developed characters and realistic relationships, the show hooks viewers from the start. This series follows Selim, an idealistic prosecutor, accepts a risky offer from a former mafia member to end organized crime in Istanbul, pledging to protect the man's son, Agun. Agun, entrenched in his father's dangerous world, struggles to accept his father's decision to become a witness. Meanwhile, Selim's neglected wife, Jana, seeks a divorce after 18 years of marriage and vows to pursue her own career. Their daughter, Yağmur, supports her mother's decision and resents her father's neglect. Selim's attempt to reconcile with Jana leads to a turbulent journey to Izmir, where their presence disrupts the family dynamic. Amidst these tensions, Agun and Yağmur find themselves drawn to each other, further complicating the situation. Even though the ending may leave some wanting more, Sanyas remains a must-watch for its gripping storyline and stellar cast. Number 12. İçide. İçide or Insider follows Sarp, a dedicated police academy student who is rejected from graduation due to his father's criminal past. After a year in prison, he emerges as an undercover cop, infiltrating mobster Selal's organization. Meanwhile, Mert, another academy graduate, also works under Yusuf, hiding his allegiance to Selal. Both unaware of each other's true identities, Sarp and Mert navigate a dangerous game of cat and mouse, striving to expose the rat within their ranks while protecting their own secrets. As tensions rise and loyalties are tested, the lines between friend and foe blur in this thrilling tale of deception and betrayal. İçide is a gripping masterpiece, weaving a complex web of loyalty and betrayal in a thrilling battle between good and evil. With impeccable acting and breathtaking plot twists, it keeps you on the edge of your seat from start to finish. A must-watch for anyone craving an adrenaline-fueled roller coaster ride of emotions and suspense. Prepare to be captivated like never before. Number 13. Dijli Sakli. Dijli Sakli, Love on Duty, is a beautiful romantic comedy series which follows Naz, who graduates as a top police academy student, joins the force to protect her family. Assigned a secret mission with Officer Pamir, they pose as a married couple to infiltrate a mafia boss's circle. Naz becomes Yas, a psychologist, while Pamir becomes Levent, a wealthy businessman. They aim to gain the mafia boss's trust, navigating challenges and growing closer. Amid the operation, Naz and Tariq's wife bond, and feelings develop between Naz and Tariq. Love on duty follows their mission's success, relationship dynamics, and Naz struggle to keep it hidden from her family. Number 14. Tetikçinin Oğlu. Tetikçinin Oğlu revolves around the intertwined lives of two longtime friends, Korkmaz and Iskender, played by Temüzin Esin and Şevket Koru respectively. The two friends have been close for 40 years. However, tragedy strikes when Iskender's son dies in an accident caused by Metin, the son of Korkmaz, whom he had lost 22 years ago, and had been searching for all this time. The central conflict of the series emerges from this incident. Iskender, grieving the loss of his son, confronts Korkmaz about Metin's actions that led to the accident. On the other hand, Korkmaz is forced to face the consequences of his son's actions and the pain he has caused to Iskender's family. Number 15. Ramo. The series tells the captivating tale of Ramo, inspired by a real person, who defies his superiors, diving into a world of family, justice, revenge, friendship, and love. Ramo is part of a gang involved in diesel fuel smuggling, working under the control of a powerful local family. Despite their efforts, they receive meager rewards. Ramo, driven by a desire for justice, rebels against the oppressive system, echoing his father's past actions. While he confronts not only his enemies but also his own family and friends, his deepest motivation lies in his personal wounds. His unwavering determination is further tested when he falls in love with Sibel, the daughter of his archenemy, adding a complex layer to his already tumultuous journey. What will happen next? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this countdown of the best Turkish Mafia series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new recommendation. Let me know in the comments which series is your favorite, or if there's one I missed that deserves a spot on the list. Until next time, keep exploring great stories, and I'll see you in the next video on Seetski.